Be the same height as Kai Cenat, or be the same height as Shaq. The last one will shock you. Be able to freeze time whenever you want and however long you want. Or have super speed equivalent to the Flash. Be best friends with an alien. Or be enemies with an alien. Be able to shapeshift. Or have telekinesis. Let your best friend die. Or marry the first person when you click on more. Be stuck in a time loop with Jason Voorhees. Or be stuck in a time loop with Michael Myers. Have supernatural stealth. Or have supernatural stamina. Go to Kai Cenat fan meetup. Or stay home.